Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x80073712 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So first of all, you need to run the DISM tool. Okay, so I have the path for it, the restore health command. All you need to do is search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. I will share it in the description section of the video. Now this is going to help a lot of users. Why? Because it's written on the Microsoft Answers forum. Let me show you. And a lot of users said yes, it worked. And strangely, we are not going to perform all that, delete the software distribution folder and all, because it's an issue with the system image itself. The next solution is an SFC scan, though a DISM scan I always believe is better. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next one is to repair hard drive errors. How? Go to this PC, right click on the C drive, select show more options, click on properties, go to tools, click on check and then click on scan drive. Okay. And the last solution is obviously to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So how would you do this? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.